Iya di malima mego ega kolamo. Iya di malima mego ego ya kopanamo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so wonderful and may God bless each and every one of you. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, feel free to subscribe, share out the video to your family, your friends and your colleague. And today guys, I'll be showing you the easiest way to prepare your nkwobi, aka ISI EWU. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I know it has been long you come across this beautiful face on your screen. Yes guys, today I decided to show you my beautiful face because Mona is asleep, so the whole place is quiet. So that's why I'm showing you my face before we get right into the video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end and give this video a thumbs up. I have this half of ISI EWU I bought at the supermarket. I couldn't find the full head. I don't know if this is how they sell it, so I just have to buy this half and prepare the nkwobi. I just finished washing it now, so I just have to cut it into smaller pieces so it will be easy to debone after cooking. After cutting, I transferred it into my pot and added chunks of onion. Now I'll be adding my seasoning cube. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be adding water to the level of the meat. I will also be adding some salt to taste, and I will cover my pot and allow this to cook till it's tender. I cooked this for 20 minutes. I'll be taking it out of the cooker now and allow it to cool down before I start deboning it. Once it has cooled down, I will start removing it from the bone. I will be removing the meat from the bone with my knife, and I will be cutting it into a biteable pieces or into a biteable size. This one is okay, then the long one I will cut it just like so. I transfer it into my plate. I'm done cutting it, and this is what I got from the half of the goat head. It's quite a lot though, and this is more stock that was remaining. Now I will be cutting my pepper. Because this pepper is hot, I will be using my fork to support it while I cut it. After cutting it, I will take it out and slice my onion. I'll be slicing it into a ring shape because I want to still use it to decorate the final look. But you can cut this any shape you want, okay? Once everything is ready, I will start preparing my nkwobi. First, I will add my palm oil. Then I will follow it up with my ungo. This ungo was prepared by my mother-in-law because she wants me to be eating healthy. If you don't have this type of ungo, you can use potash, you can use baking soda and mix it with your palm oil till you get this consistency. It's still a bit thick, so I'll be adding a little bit and mix it thoroughly. Please, if you're watching up to this extent and you're not yet a member of this family, feel free to subscribe, enable notifications so that you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember to share out this video to your family, your friends and colleagues. Everything on YT is free. Sharing is free. Now I'll be adding my pepper. I will not be adding the Knor cube now until I add the meat, because if I add the Knor cube or the salt now, anything that contains salt, it will change the consistency of this oil. So now I'll be adding my utazi. If you don't have utazi, you can add Uziza leaves if you have Uziza leaves. But I don't have Uziza leaves, that's why I'm adding utazi. Then I'll be adding my Ehuru. Ehuru is also known as African nutmeg. This was prepared to me by my mom when she came for Omugo. Combine everything together. I'll be adding a little bit of onion from this. Not all of them, just a little bit. And I will add my meat now. I will mix it very well till everything is well coated with the sauce. Because it's a little bit thick, I'll be adding some meat stock in it. Now I'll be adding my Knor cube. Remember that I cooked this meat with Knor cube and salt, so it's a bit tasty. I'll be adding just half of this Knor cube. I will not be adding all. Then I will give it a stir. Right now, it doesn't require salt again, to my taste bud though. So feel free to check it. If you still need to add salt, you can adjust salt to your taste. Now I'll be heating it up a bit, at least 5 minutes. I nearly forgot to check this while attending to Mona. So it's almost 7 minutes. So I will stir it and take it out of the cooker and I will dish it out. Please, if you have palm wine, if you have ngwo, bring it. Let's dilute this food together. Please remember to thumb up this video, leave your comments below, and also share out the video to your family and your friends. Now I will be adding my onion. I just use it to decorate it a bit. And if you have fresh utazi or fresh Uziza, you just sprinkle it on top. And here comes the end of today's video. Bye.